how to fix alarm no sound in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open clock app and then click on your alarm. Firstly, if you turn off your alarm, then turn it on. After turn on your alarm, then click on your alarm, and here you can see the ringtone option. Now click on it, and if you select none, then it will on your silent mode. And if you want to remove your silent mode, then select your ringtone as default. After that, go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down, and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on clock and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of clock. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.